So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very first post of the year. And also I want to say Happy New Year to you all. I hope you all had a wonderful celebration. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this long jumbo braid in this video. So if you want to see how I achieve it, please keep watching. So right now I'm trying to part the hair at the back, and I'm starting off with a clean and stretched out hair. So I'm just gonna make a section at the back. So the first section is only gonna be 2 braids, and the next section gonna be like 4 braids. So the first section right here I just divided into 2 in an angle way, not straight. This will help to maintain the triangle shape all the way around. So
Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you.
So right here I'm showing you guys the half of the head, which is almost done. That's the triangular shape all the way. So for this hairstyle I'm doing a middle part. So in order to maintain the triangle shape throughout the whole head, I'm just gonna part this very last section towards the very front of my head, right in the front right there, and then curve it in towards the middle section, towards the middle of this very section of
holding you.
So after that I just grab my hairband and put the rest of the hair away. So this part you're just gonna grab your gel and lay down your edges, and after you've done that you're gonna grab the rubber band and wrap it around the hair. So for these parts, if you have like short and tiny edges, in order to make sure you get everything into the hair braid, you're gonna scoop the back of the hair, which is the other way in, and scoop it towards the front, and then wrap the rubber band around it.
Like night into morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you, like we used to.
So for this next one, we're gonna start from the end of the section. So in order to do that, to get the triangle shape, you're gonna start from the middle part of this section and curve it all the way out. So remember at the beginning, at the front of this hair we curve it in, now we're curving it out. This will help to maintain the straight and neat triangle shape. So after you're done doing that, you're gonna grab your rubber band and wrap it around the hair.
The endless journey, I need not worry, I'll get where I'm going, I made it this far beyond.
So moving on to the hair, I've removed it from the pack. So right here I'm just gonna separate it. And so in order to separate this, you want to be careful because the hair is very long and it's easy to freeze up and tangle. So right here I'm just shaking it up, just like shake it a little bit and stretch it out, shake and stretch, and that's shake and stretch. That will help to separate the hair without any freeze. that's exactly what I did. If you feel like this hair is the length I use in this video is too long, you can definitely go ahead and cut it into 2 or into 3, depends on the length you're going for. So after that, in order to comb the hair, I just wrap it around my elbow and just cut at the flyaways from the end. That would help to comb the hair easily. So right here I'm just starting to start to comb the hair from the tip to make sure there's no tangle in the tip, because if the tip of the hair is tangled, definitely it's going to be a struggle to comb it all the way through. So after combing it, I'm going to go ahead and run my finger through the hair to separate it just like that, to make sure there's no frizz, because working with a long hair like this, it's easy to catch for the hair to freeze up and tangle and all the stuff. So I'm just making sure there's no tangle and all that. So to do the buzz braid, you want to grab the extensions and put it towards the back, all of the hair, and put it towards the back. And if you didn't cut your hair, if the hair you're using is as long as this one right here, you want to make sure as you start to do the buzz braid, you do not pull any strands from any of the other hair, because if you do that, that would make it like difficult to braid. In as far you don't grab any hair from the other sections, the hair will be like smooth and will go fast. So this hair took me total of it took me 5 hours, only 5 hours to finish the hair. And I used 6 pack of hair. I used 12 pack of the color 2 and 2 pack of color 24. If you're going for a long braid, like a long one as this one, I will advise you to buy 7 pack of expression braided hair. In case if the 6 pack isn't enough, you have one pack already in the corner sitting there for you. For the hair color, you don't have to use the same hair color I use in this video, but if you like the hair color, you can definitely go for it. And if you don't, please, you can choose your own. You can choose the hair color you like, any color you like, you feel like you're comfortable wearing. So for the last braid right here, I'm just gonna show you this, like just in case you're braiding the hair and this happen, don't panic. What you want to do, you want to start from the bottom one, the first one right there, and separate it and move on to the next step and separate it just like that, and you're good to go. Just continue to braid. So towards the end of the braid, if you feel like you're running short out of the one of the strands, you can definitely go ahead and add some hair. That will be towards the end, not in the middle or at the beginning of the braid, because that's not going to work. So right here you can see towards the end, one of the strand is short, so I'm just adding some hair right there. So that towards the end, it shouldn't be an issue at all. So once you braid all the way to the tip of the hair, option 1, you can grab a thread like that and wrap it around the ends of the braid. And once you're done wrapping around, you want to tie a knot to secure it. And option 2 is to wrap a rubber band around the tip of the hair. And option 3 is to bond the end if you prefer it that way. So once you're done with that, you're gonna grab the scissors and cut off the ends of the hair. And after that, you're gonna go ahead and do some trimming on the end if needed. Otherwise, you're good to go. So after you're done trimming, you're gonna go ahead and put the hair dip the ends of the hair into hot water. Here is the finished results of this hairstyle. I hope you like the video. I hope you like this hair. If you do, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by today. I really appreciate the support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.